What I love most about being part of the brass band is probably the friendship. You make friendships that'll last forever.
I think it's being part of something that's more than just you. It's a collective of everyone around Wales, and I think that's quite a special feeling.
It is the only platform in Wales that bridges the gap between your local dance school and the professional world.
Fy hoff beth o fod yn rhan o hwn ydy sut da ni'n cael ein trin fel fod ni'n proffesiynol. Da ni ddim yn cael ein trin fel plant. Maen nhw'n gweithio ni'n really galed a mae hwnna'n really dda.
Everyone really enjoys the residencies and the staff are all brilliant and we all work well as a team.
Everyone's so lovely and you just have loads of fun all the time.
Dwi'n meddwl yr rhan dwi'n mwynhau fwyaf ydy'r teimlad o gymuned sy'n yna ac y teimlad bod chi hefo pobl sy'n dall sut ydych chi'n teimlo hefyd.
I have never really been part of a big choir before joining National Youth Arts Wales, and the thing that I love so much about this is being able to stand there and sing and hear all of these voices moulding together around you, and you're building something so beautiful.
Don't be scared, take it all in and just enjoy the course.